What we got here? You know anything about these?
Nope.
Nope. We need a Ford guy over here. Oh, here again. We got.
We have the stable area here.
Stable.
Stable.
Stable is in fuel stabilizer?
No, stable is in the, these are all the horses over here. All the Mustangs.
Are they horses or donkeys?
Oh, you did not.
A couple of horses.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's the donkeys that drive them usually.
There's a couple of horses.
So we have a Shelby here. I'm taking it.
Taking it.
Not right now, man.
I like the exhaust pipes.
Actually, when we come down out of the mountain, we get down by the creek, we get down in that valley, that's great. Oh yeah, you can feel it. You can feel it drop. I used to go to when I was
Lightning, huh? I owned one of these. Okay, this is a Cobra, right? I didn't own the Cobra. I just had the regular '86 Mustang hatchback, 5-speed, 4-speed. Can't even remember what transmission it had in it. It's clean, very clean.
It's not the 86. This is newer than that. Limited 1993 Mustang.
That's pretty.
2400 of 49. 5 liters. 2012.
If I do it again, this is what I want.
But I think you should do it with the. I think you should do it with the Coyote. Another Ford 150 Lightning. Flare size. Slightly modified. Change the rims.
They told me to take it. Yeah. Look. That's love.
And every good car comes with a fire extinguisher. So every car comes with a fire extinguisher. All right, what we got over here?
Looks like a decent.
Now with 4 injectors on this side.
Hey.
I like the interior. What's that?
Kind of curious as to what the switch is for on the steering wheel.
Switch.
Underneath the knob, to turn it.
Quick release. Take your knob off. That is a big head. That's a 4-valve, isn't it? SVT. That is crammed in there. Reminds me of the shoe horns my granddaddy used to own.
Big enough to put a horse in.
Wow.
Wow, yeah. 1965, 289.
My roommate had a 64 and a half, 289. And I remember pulling the heads off of this car, sitting on the fender. And he did not have air conditioning on his, so there's so much more room in it. Unbelievable.
Cold air intake.
What's that?
Half a cold air intake.
It's got the important part.
Yeah.
Especially if that's an Amsoil filter. Hmm? I don't know, man. That's the Amsoil's color with the chrome air top on it. He might be running. This is a beauty.
Hey.
This looks familiar. Actually, this is an older one. This has got the 5 liter in it.
That's a 2013.
Amazing how much room you got in there.
Yeah.
You can actually work on this one.
Got about 3,000 miles on it. So.
Any upgrades, changes? In
Actually, I did.
What'd you do?
That K&N filter.
Okay.
Then I took out the rear pinion gears and went from 276 to 331. It's a V6. Okay.
No kidding.
But it's got some power. Got some pep. It has more power, more horsepower than the 2010 GT has a V6.
Just by changing your gears.
Well, it had it to begin with.
Okay.
You know, but yeah, I think it's the 2010 GT. Yeah. Now, next year, or now 2015, it'll come out next year. They're coming out with a 4-cylinder.
Okay.
With 300 and some horse.
It's going to give those Corvettes a run.
Yes. 89, 90.
Then I'm going to put some catback exhaust on it. Because even though it's a V6, I know it's not a muscle car.
Yeah, but you got reliability, you got fuel economy, and you can still go out and kick some booty.
I sold a year ago. I had my 2003 Mustang Cobra with 470 horsepower in it. I had that too. And it was 6-speed. It was nice. It was awesome car. Yep. And it's an automatic, but I have the paddle. I can drive it like it's not the same, you know, but it's still.
Cool. Is it?
And I'm standing from here that close, and I have my back to him. And the 2 guys with him, and I turned around and looked, and they were standing there. You think you realize where we just drove from? Because they think that's what it is. And I turned around and looked at that and go, there you be.
428 Roush. Jack Roush. From NASCAR. 2008. Factory upgrade.
Yeah, I asked him, I said, you got your stuff? No, I haven't got nothing yet. I said, we're going to get your butt home and get that. Yeah, but I think it was first week in October or something. Yeah. Which would have been this week. Yeah.
5-0.
How you doing, Robert? Oh, not too bad.
This is what you were talking about here? This motor?
No.
No.
Still,
This is still just a 5.0.
Nobody's got that yet.
Really?
Nobody here has that. 2007. Supercharged.
How do you work on that?
500 GT.
Who do you take it to when you have to have your plugs changed?
Yeah, it should be still factory.
Yeah.
Must have still have the original one, or paper one anyway.
Yeah, I just wonder if
I have it.
you have. Oh, you have it.
Yeah, I have it with me.
Oh, okay.
Brought it with me.
And I think I gave the guy everything, and I shouldn't.
No.
I don't think he appreciated.
Last one. Send you on the email all of the upcoming shows.
So here it is.
Yeah.
The afternoon show and everybody's in the shade.
Sucks to be you.
Yeah.
He was napping an hour ago.
Everybody.
Oh, I was asleep on the chair. You gonna poop in my car?
Everybody at the same time.
Oh no, I gotta edit the damn video again. Jesus, bro. Every video he's in, I gotta take that out.